If you're seeing the GOG Install Error E2, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your game installation moving again. This error is usually caused by a connection issue, a stuck GOG Galaxy process, or something on your network blocking the installer from working properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything or making major changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. Since E2 is often related to network problems, this is the best place to start. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and that other websites or apps are loading normally. If your connection seems weak or inconsistent, restart your router and wait for it to reconnect fully. This can clear temporary network issues and often fixes the problem right away. If you're on a laptop, it also helps to move closer to your router or switch to a more stable connection if possible. Next, restart GOG Galaxy. Sometimes the app itself gets stuck in the background and that can trigger install errors. To do this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Find GOG Galaxy in the list of running apps or background processes, right-click it, and choose End Task. Once it's fully closed, reopen GOG Galaxy and try the installation again. This simple restart can refresh the app and clear any temporary glitches that were blocking the download. If that doesn't solve it, try pausing and resuming the download. Open GOG Galaxy and go to your download section. From there, click Resume All, then click Pause All. After that, wait a few seconds and resume the download again. This can force the client to reconnect properly and continue from a clean state. A lot of download errors can be fixed just by resetting the download session like this. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the connection between GOG Galaxy and its servers, which may prevent the installer from completing properly. Turn off your VPN completely, and if you have a proxy enabled on your system or browser, disable that too. Once those are off, try the installation again. This is especially important if you've been switching regions, using privacy tools, or connecting through a network that filters traffic. Now let's try running GOG Galaxy as an administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to make changes on your computer without being blocked by Windows. To do this, right-click on the GOG Galaxy shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the app opens with admin rights, try the install one more time. Running as administrator can solve permission-related issues that prevent files from being downloaded or written correctly. If you've made it this far, there's a strong chance one of these fixes has already solved the E2 error. If so, let me know in the comments which step worked for you. That helps other viewers too. And if you want more game launcher troubleshooting videos, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. To quickly recap, start by checking your internet and restarting your router. Then restart GOG Galaxy using Task Manager, pause and resume the download, disable VPN or proxy tools, and finally run GOG Galaxy as administrator. These are the most effective first-line fixes for the GOG Install Error E2. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to installing your game. If you're still having trouble, keep an eye out for more GOG troubleshooting guides coming soon. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.